Did you know the loudest animal on Earth lives deep beneath the waves? Forget lions roaring or elephants trumpeting. The true king of sound is the magnificent whale. Specifically, the blue whale holds the record. Its calls can reach an incredible 188 decibels. That's louder than a jet engine. Imagine this. A blue whale's call can travel through the ocean for up to well said 600 kilometers. Isn't that absolutely mind-blowing? If you love learning about our amazing planet, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more incredible animal facts. Thanks for watching.